Alright guys, well today we're going to be throwing the Crossmember on Rafa's Nova. This whole time it's just kind of been chilling on a jack stand back here. But today we're finally going to make this thing solid so it's not super sketchy. And then if Rafa lets me, tell me what we're going to do, Raf.
Well, you see that floor right there? We're going to replace it with the shitty one underneath.
Yeah, so he might let me cut and weld it. I know he's not too stoked on it, but alright, so first step to installing the Hooker 480 transmission Crossmember is taking the old mount off. So we're gonna take the mount off and then they give you a bracket to install. So let's get to it. Oh, that was on there. Also, after you remove that, you want to remove these two because the bracket bolts to this and to the old mount. I guess it like moves wherever the new mount is. So I'll take that off right now. Okay, so you use the hardware you were using before to throw this back on. This is gonna kind of suck to put back on, so we'll get back to you once we have it on. This bracket's on, really annoying to do. If you can do this outside of the car, I would recommend doing it outside the car. But now, basically we threw on the bracket, the lower and the upper bracket on, and we're gonna slide it onto the other side, and then we're gonna drop the bolts in there, and then we'll attach this side so it's a little bit easier to do. And then all you really have to do is mark these 4 holes and drill them. You're supposed to take this out, but we're just going to try to mock it up and just drill the holes and make it easier. But if you're going to actually do this and you want to do it correctly, put it on there, mark the 2 holes, drill them, take it off, I should say, and then drill it, and then do the same thing for this side. But let's see how this goes. Okay, so we basically have the Crossmember in, but we're gonna take a break because the drill bit broke on the first try. So I'm not gonna go get a drill bit. I'm gonna suck a Rafa into right now. Basically, the floor is completely rusted on all 4 of these corners. We were gonna replace the whole floor, but then we were talking to Fred, and Fred told us that we should just do the panels. And we were just gonna wait for Fred, but I want to give this a try. And if I fuck it up, then Fred will do it. I'm probably honestly only gonna do this one, then I'll let Fred do the other ones. But let's start knocking this shit out, Ralph.
Let's do it.
You don't look too stoked.
I am not. But fuck it, you know?
Yeah. You having fun?
I'm having fun. Dude, this thing was not put together well at all.
I know. So, you guys can see. Put that back in there.
Look, this side right here, I didn't even have to use a hammer. They just fucking like this and it came out.
They like plastered it, and then there's like little welds that were breaking off right here. I'll probably have to cut some of these out, but this floor is pretty shot, so we'll come back after we've banged this whole thing out and I've kind of grinded all this shit down and hopefully it doesn't look like crap anymore.
Yeah, I'm fun.
Yeah, it's not my fucking floor. Dude, we're gonna go full Flintstone. We don't need an LS after this. We'll just be able to put our fucking in it.
Holy shit. Goddamn.
Bad news. The floors are definitely way worse than we thought. I guess you can show it here. What they did was I guess this metal was good before, and then they put these like aluminum plates over it, and then they spot welded, and then they did tack welds, but moisture got in between, and the metal's like super like I'm literally like I'm able to break this with my hand, and it's pretty bad up to the tunnel, like up to here. And I thought I was gonna be able to just cut this and not have to mess with the brace, but I don't really feel comfortable doing that, so we're not gonna fix this. We're gonna get one of my buddies to fix this because this is like literally going onto the brace, and I don't really want to screw with that because I don't want to fuck Rafa's car up. So yeah, it just kind of sucks. I was kind of excited to weld on this, but dude, I can't believe this. Can you?
No, I can't, and it sucks ass.
It didn't look that bad though. That's what sucks.
It didn't. It looked like it was just a small section, but
it sucks too because it's like right here. If you look right here, it kind of like it's like right before the pinch weld, or the pinch right here, and it's like this definitely is gonna have to get cut out.
a good day.
You trying to have a good day?
Let's try to have a good day.
We
We
had a
got the
pretty good
mounts
day.
in. Everything was going smoothly, and then we touched the floor, and now I got more bad news.
You gonna cry?
L's.
I'm gonna play the like rain right now. I'm really enjoying this. I don't know why.
I know you are.
It's
Yeah.
just the dread in your face right now. This is fucking hilarious.
I'm glad.
This is like your
Glad
first
find
child. You got shot, huh? You're just. Well, kids, go buy $1,000 Nova. Save up your money, buy something that's solid. Would you say that?
Nah, we're having fun.
Yeah,
It's sad. It's sad, but in the end of it, it's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
It's gonna be worth it. We're gonna look back at this and laugh.
That's what I keep telling myself, bro.
We will. It's just it's gonna be a long.
Long.
that.
He said time. He's such a good time.
Fuck off.
Oh, I really like this car though. You sure you don't want to sell it to me now? I'll give you 50 cents.
Oh my god. No, I still want it.
Okay, alright then. Fuck. Damn, you working on it before I even got here?
Yeah, bro.
So we kind of have this thing all in place, ready to go. I know the transmission, the jack's in the way, I should say, but we have everything bolted up and ready to go. The only thing we have to do is drill these 2 holes and bolt it up, and that's it. The crossmember's in. It's honestly it's a pretty easy crossmember to install. The only thing is it's annoying to like get it in place, but once you have it in place, it's pretty easy. If you're gonna do this right, you really should mark the holes, take this whole thing out and then drill it, but we're not really worried about it, so we're gonna drill it. I think I'm gonna start with a smaller pilot hole and then move up to it, so yeah. Let's do this thing. Oh my god. No way.
Not enough room?
Nowhere near enough room.
Fuck. I guess we're gonna have to do it the right way then, boys. L?
L. Fuck. No way. Are you kidding me? Oh, I hate this fucking company. I hate this car. Fuck. Thought I was gonna come here, drill 4 holes and be done.
Oh, well, next time.
Fuck, I hate this car so much. I'm actually so pissed off right now.
So if I tell you 5,000, you wouldn't take it?
I'd take it 5,000.
Yeah, shut the fuck up.
Here, we'll just call it installed and come back another day, but I think that's the end of the video because I'm kind of over this car right now. Alright, so this project car stuff sucks, but it's kind of done. Not really. We just have to drill the 4 holes, but we'll call it installed. I'll come back another day and finish this, but for this week, that's kind of it. So, as always, feels like one step forward and one step back with this car. We got the crossmember in, we got the motor mounts in, everything's all solid now. But now this thing needs a floor repaired. One of our buddies is actually gonna come check it out either today or sometime this week. And we're gonna drop this thing off to get the floor fixed. So we'll probably come back once the floor is fixed and we can actually start doing a lot of work on it, like wiring and everything else that goes along with it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video.